Okay, so this is a test. I am checking out. I have armor with cushioned on both legs. Each one is 25% reduction in damage from falling. I also have the bird bones, so that's minus 65% fall speed. Combined, those have been letting me jump off from a very high location and survive, but I've not tried this yet. So let's try it. Only 40% damage from that high. That's pretty cool. But we can try that too. As you can see, I was clearing out some glitches. And some just new dirt. It's over here in the middle of the scan. Conflict lab, that's fantastic. Love it. Let's see this. Oh yeah. That's a drop. This is probably not survivable, but let's do it. Holy crap. Okay. So yeah, you don't need the Acrobats mod on your armor. You just need 2 cushioned and bird bones, and you can drop from really high and survive it. Although fix that. Okay. So yeah, cushioned and bird bones. There you go.